Animation. Welcome to math class of nursery English version. Good morning. Firdaus Ali Khan Model School and College. Teacher introduction. My name is Tumpa Akhtar. Now I am an assistant teacher at Firdaus Ali Khan Model School and College, Bangla Hilly, Hakimpur, Dinaspur. How are you, students? I hope you are fine. I am also fine. Our today's lesson is spell and count. Earlier, we learned how to count and spell from 1 to 20. Now I will teaching spelling of 21 to 30. Everybody spell with me. First I will spell, then you have to spell with me. Look at the slide. What do you see in the slide? You see a number. The name of this number is 21. Utter 21. Spell T-W-E-N. Twen. T-Y-T. 20. 1. O-N-E. 1. 21. What is this, baby? This is a number. This number name is 22. Utter 22. Spell T-W-E-N. T-T. T-Y-T. 22. T-W-O. 2. 22. Next, 23. Utter 23. T-W-E-N. 20. T-Y-T. 23. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 23. Okay, look at the picture. What do you see? Good. This is 24. The number name is 24. Utter 24. Spell T-W-E-N. 20. T-Y-T. 24. F-O-U-R. 4. 24. Next, 25. Utter 25. Spell T-W-E-N. 20. T-Y-T. 25. F-I-V-E. 5. 25. 26. Utter with me, baby. 26. Spell T-W-E-N. 20. T-Y-T. 26. S-I-X. 6. 26. Look at the slide. Good. This is 27. Utter 27. Spell T-W-E-N. 20. T-Y-T. 27. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 27. Okay. Next. 28. Utter 28. Spell with me, baby. 28. T-W-E-N. 20. T-Y-T. 28. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 28. What do you see in the slide? You see 29. This number name is 29. Spell T-W-E-N. 20. T-Y-T. 29. N-I-N-E. 9. 29. Okay. Say 30. Utter 30. Spell T-H-I-R. Third. T-H-I-R. Third. T-Y-T. 30. What do you see? Good. 26. Next. 30. 21. 24. 25. Dear children, now we are going to fill in the gap. Let's children say, what is the after number of 23? What is the after number of 23? Look, 24. Okay. What is the after number of 29? 30. What is the after number of 26? 27. What is the after number of 21? 22. What is the after number of 25? 26. Okay, baby. No more today. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye.
কথা বলো শেষে